So how to get a baby filter in REMINI AI photo enhancer app. So you can just download this app. It's a free app. Because of this filter, it went viral on TikTok. It's #1 in charts. But yeah, you just open up this app and then how it works. Unfortunately, you can access this feature only with a paid subscription. So while the app is free, you will need to upgrade either to a pro plan, which you can have weekly or yearly, or a light plan. Here you can see that $5 per week. Then what you need to do, I just found on this website. I didn't upgrade yet, to be honest. So yeah, what you need to do to get this baby filter, which basically this like AI feature, which will kind of show how will you look if you are pregnant. So it's pretty cool. It's going viral on TikTok. So just open the app, click on the AI photos at the bottom, and proceed with the let's do it. So let's just find it. So here is the AI photos button in the bottom, just in the middle. Go there, and then you need to pick 12 photos of yourself where you can kind of create your AI profile. So just make sure that you follow the examples here, the tutorials, that you include good photos, close-up selfies, same subject, variety of backgrounds, expression, and face angles. And then just you need to identify your gender and upload 8 selfies. So make sure that you identify your gender for female or other. It is not this filter is not available for males. And then you need to select this pregnancy filter in the top pick section. The filter is visible by the image of pregnant woman. Click this use this model image, and the next screen is a paywall which asks you to pay for a lighter pro version of the app. So yeah, there is a free trial option. There is available for 3-day free trial. And then you can proceed, and then it could take some time. Usually the waiting time is around 7 minutes, but it can be processed faster. Yeah, and then 6 images will be generated by the app, which can be saved to a gallery by swiping right. Swiping left will result in deletion of the image, and then yeah, you will just have the photo of you looking pregnant. So that's basically how it works. So again, just go to a REMINI app, go to AI Photos tab, upload your selfies. You need 12 photos of yourself. Select your gender as female or other, and then yeah, you'll just need to wait select the pregnancy filter from store filters, and then yeah, it should be available.